I talk about legal startup or legal tech. So legal tech basically is something, a person who has a deeper knowledge of law start with the thought that I will solve problems of legal industry. Because we have experienced changes and technology in all other aspects. We have seen Swiggy, we have seen Paytm, we have seen Facebook, we have seen Snapchat. What benefit law has got till now from these technologies? It's very less. We have not experienced much of the changes after introduction of these technologies. So our concern, the ideas of the entrepreneurs, legal entrepreneurs, is basically that they find solutions to improve the legal system by introducing these basic technologies. So there are certain problems which we all know. So these problems are very basic. We know that we have still now pending cases, which is 3.52 crore cases already pending in the system. We know that we have 16 lakh lawyers already in the market. We all of those lawyers have problem of managing time. They have a lot of work. They want to manage it fast. They want to draft contracts better. They want to do researches faster. They want to manage with less resources. We all know that there are problems of transparency, knowledge. We can talk about the comparisons, how we have moved, how legal system have moved. So earlier, we all have referred SSC books, Supreme Court cases books. We all have referred. Now, the improvement has come, and now we have legal search engines which are called SSC Online. So earlier you had to you had to had a big library to maintain that books. Then you have to find books, the volumes and the pages, and then the judgment you have to read. And then you cannot even Control+F and find the exact word which you wanted to see and read. Times has changed. From books, we have moved to SSC Online. That had made our life easy. And what was that? That was introduction of technology to a particular aspect. We didn't have the dedicated special legal media earlier. So everything today we get to know on a slide. So we just open an app which is called Live Law or Barbench, and we read everything about legal. Earlier, what you had to do is you have to open the newspaper, look every segment of it, because there was no specific legal segment in the newspaper. And happily, if you could get any one of them, you will be happier enough. Now, for every case, you get an update. So, Live Law, what you're doing? Ayodhya hearings are going in the court. The other hearings are going in the court. And you're getting live updates on your phone that moment. You don't have to be the part of the court that moment. But you can have that access very easily. So, that has changed. But this is not everything. This is what has been done. What we are going to do is beyond that. What we are going to experience is beyond that. I believe and I assure all those students who are presenting paper are the people who has taken steps and are ahead of people who will be taking steps later on. You are ahead of people who are not trying. So even if you keep trying and keep failing, you will be ahead of a lot of people. And that's how you make your own place gradually in life. So that's also the part. So what are the technologies which are coming up? What is more for legal? When I talk about ODR, there is a concept which is called online dispute resolution. Government is working on it. Many government departments suggesting to the courts. Courts are saying to go for online dispute resolution. Online dispute resolution would be a revolution. Reason is, we all know mediation is one aspect of solving a dispute. Mediation, once gets into a settlement agreement, is a not unappealable sort of degree, where you finally dispose of your all problems within one or two or 3 days. So now with ODR, you will be able to solve your cases, your basic cases, sitting at your home. I'm not talking about criminal cases, but small family dispute, small contractual disputes. So all these disputes can be solved only through online. You sit at your home, the opposite party is sitting at home, there is a mediator in between, you give your arguments, the other party gives their arguments, and then you come to a settlement. This is how you're solving a problem, sitting at your home, not even going to the court. Because earlier what was happening, you didn't have the knowledge, you just had to recover 5,000, you go to a lawyer and then go to a court, roam around for 2 years and then come back paying 50,000 for 5,000. So that is what's happening, and ODR will definitely going to change that part. I'm not discouraging what is happening in the system, which is very required. I cannot challenge the legal system. I cannot challenge the advocacy system. I cannot challenge, because those are the pillars. But what I'm talking about is talking about the efficiency, how we can be better with these technologies. So one, I have talked about ODR. I believe that this can be future. I've been doing a lot of legal entrepreneurship workshops. I am directly attached to my college, the earlier college. There's a lot of things which we can definitely learn. And if any of the law students who are interested can connect with me, and we can talk about innovation, we can discuss about innovation, and I believe that it would be a wonderful opportunity to have it as a career. Thank you so much. Thank you for having me here.